ई फॉर एलिफंट झाल्यानंतर ई फॉर एलिफंट झाल्यावर एफ फॉर फिश मोठे म्हण
F for fish. G for goat. S for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for
lion.
L for lion. M for monkey. N for orange. O for orange.
P
P for parrot. Q for king. R for leopard. S for sheep. G for
T
for tiger.
T for U for
umbrella.
V for
Vegetable.
W for
Watch.
X for
Christmas tree.
Y for
Y.
Z for
Zebra.